How to make smooth sliding text in Davinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel and click on Titles. Drag and drop a text into your timeline. Now select the text and in the inspector, change its properties based on your liking. Now in the Effects panel, click on Video Transitions and search for Slide. Drag and drop Slide Transition to the start of your text. Now select the transition and in the inspector, set ease to in and out. And change the transition duration. You can add and slide out to the end of your text as well. Drag the slide to the end of your text. Now in the inspector, set direction to out and set ease to in and out. Now we have a smooth slide in and out text. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.